Do you ever just feel off? You can't quite put your finger on it, so you just chalk it up to stress, or maybe the classic excuse, I'm just getting older. You're still hitting the gym, but the gains you used to take for granted just aren't there. That 3 p.m. energy crash feels more like a full-on power outage, and your drive, not just in the bedroom, but your drive for life, isn't what it used to be. What if the real culprit isn't just a busy schedule, but a hormonal imbalance quietly messing with your health from the inside? Today, we're breaking down the 12 signs of low testosterone that most guys write off, and most importantly, what you can actually do about it. Some of these are well known, but a few might really surprise you. Number 1, a drop in libido. Alright, let's get the most obvious one out of the way first, a drop in your sex drive. Look, everyone's libido goes up and down, but if you've noticed a major persistent nosedive in your desire for sex, that's a huge red flag. It's something a lot of guys are embarrassed to talk about, but it's often the very first clue that your hormones are out of whack. Number 2, constant fatigue. And I don't mean I had a long day at work tired. This is a deep, bone-crushing exhaustion that a full night's sleep just doesn't seem to fix. If you're constantly running on empty and have lost your motivation for things you used to enjoy, low T could be draining your battery. Number 3, loss of muscle mass. Are you hitting the gym just as hard, but the results just aren't showing up? Or worse, do you feel like you're actually getting weaker? That's a classic sign because testosterone is absolutely vital for building and maintaining muscle. If left unchecked, it can slowly chip away at your strength. Number 4, an increase in body fat. On the flip side of losing muscle, at number 4, we have an increase in body fat. If you're suddenly gaining a spare tire around your waist that wasn't there before, low T could be the culprit. In some cases, this hormonal imbalance can also lead to something called gynecomastia, which is the development of breast tissue in men. Number 5, mood swings and irritability. Testosterone doesn't just work on your body, it's a major player in your mood. If you find yourself snapping at people, feeling anxious, or just down in the dumps more often than not, it might be more than just a bad week. These emotional shifts are frequently tied to low hormone levels. Number 6, sleep problems. Low testosterone can seriously mess with your sleep, leading to things like insomnia, or even contributing to sleep apnea. And here's the kicker. Poor sleep can lower your testosterone even more, creating a nasty downward spiral that's hard to get out of. Number 7, hair loss, but maybe not the kind you're thinking of. While going bald up top is mostly genetics, low T can cause you to lose hair on your body and face. So if your beard is looking a little less lumberjack and a little more patchy, it might be a subtle sign your body is sending. Okay, number 8 is a silent one you literally can't see or feel until it's a bigger problem. Reduced bone density. Testosterone helps keep your bones strong. When your levels drop, your bones can become weaker, putting you at a higher risk for fractures and osteoporosis later in life. Number 9, difficulty losing weight. If you're eating clean and exercising consistently, but the numbers on the scale just won't budge, low T could be sabotaging your efforts. A slower metabolism is a common effect of low testosterone, making it incredibly frustrating to try and shed that extra weight. Number 10, skin issues. Number 10 is a surprising one for many. Skin issues. Some research suggests a potential link between testosterone levels and skin health. For example, some studies have noted that low testosterone may be associated with unusually dry skin or even flare-ups of chronic conditions like psoriasis, though this connection is still being explored. Number 11, brain fog and poor focus. Feel like you're walking around in a mental haze? Can't concentrate at work, or keep forgetting where you put your keys? Testosterone is vital for sharp cognitive function, so a dip in your levels can make you feel like your brain just isn't firing on all cylinders. And finally, number 12 is a low blood count. Testosterone actually helps your body produce red blood cells. A shortage can sometimes lead to mild anemia, which just piles on top of the fatigue and weakness we talked about earlier, making you feel even more worn out. So if you were nodding along to several of those points, please don't just write it off as part of getting older. The next step is simple. Talk to a doctor. A simple blood test is the only way to know for sure what's going on. They'll likely want to test you in the morning, since that's when your testosterone levels are at their peak. Generally, a diagnosis of low T is made when your levels fall below 300 nanograms per deciliter. If that's the case, your doctor can walk you through treatment options like testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, which uses gels, patches, or injections to get your levels back into a healthy range. Ignoring these signs isn't a great idea, because untreated low testosterone can lead to more serious problems down the road, like a higher risk for heart issues and osteoporosis. Recognizing what's happening in your own body is the first, most powerful step you can take. It's about taking back control of your health, your energy, and your life. Don't let these silent signs run the show. Get checked, get answers, and get back to feeling like you again.